Replacement tools. Hot air dryer, Allen wrench, U-shaped shear, LCD screen adapter cable. Operation process. Step 1. Remove the platform. Slide the control axis upward and raise the cantilever to the top. Turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord. Step 3. Take the smallest Allen wrench from the toolkit. Step 4. Remove the screws securing the screen assembly. Step 5. Gently take out the screen. Flip the black clip upward and pull out the screen cable. Step 6. Use a hot air dryer to heat the acrylic panel. Note, if you don't have a hot air dryer, a hairdryer can be used as a substitute. Step 7. Insert a U-shaped shear along the lower right corner edge of the acrylic panel. Then slowly pry up the panel and remove it. Step 8. Use an Allen wrench to remove the 6 screws securing the metal panel, and gently remove and lay the metal panel flat. Note, be careful when removing the metal panel not to pull off the connection wires on the back. Step 9. First, peel off and remove the black cable fixation tape. Flip the black latch upward and pull out the old screen adapter cable to set it aside. Step 10. Insert the new screen cable. Insert the black connector onto the motherboard with the black side facing upwards and lock the black clip. The black label on the screen is also facing upwards. Insert it into the screen and lock the black buckle. Step 11. After securing the metal plate, first fasten a screw in the center position. Note, when installing the metal plate, avoid pressing on the cable. Step 1. Connect the power and turn on the machine. Step 2. Click Tools equals Screen Testing equals to begin the screen test. Place in a 4-sheet of paper on the screen to check if it exposes normally and displays a pattern. When the screen displays NOVA3D screen test without any flickering, the screen replacement is successful. Note, if issues occur, turn off the power and recheck the cable connection. Step 3. Once the screen test passes, lock the remaining metal plates and fixing screws, and align the acrylic panel with the touchscreen and switch positions and stick them. Install the screen and tighten the original screws. Leveling detection. Step 1. Click to reset. Wait for the cantilever to drop to the lowest point and reinstall the printing platform. Step 2. Use 2 sheets of A4 paper to check if the leveling height has changed. If adjustments are needed, re-level the platform. Note, this leveling height adjustment is only to check the leveling storage position, and there is no need to loosen the leveling screws. If the leveling height is fine, there is no need to perform this step. Step 3. After completing the above steps, the screen adapter cable is successfully replaced. You can now install the resin vat and prepare for printing.